4 work together. So my instructions say use the adjusted trial balance or worksheet from Work Together 4.1. Page 21 of a general journal is provided in the working pages. I will guide you through the following example. Journalize the closing entries for Foley's Interiors. Okay, so all we're doing is we're doing our journal entries to close our temporary accounts. I do have my adjusted trial balance printed off from 4.1, so I will be using that to get my closing entries. So remember, first of all, we have 4 closing entries. So I'm going to start with my first one. Our date is December 31st. Okay, so our first closing entry, we are going to close accounts that have credit balances. So I'm going to go to my adjusted trial balance. Remember, adjusted trial balance, our income statement accounts start at income summary. Okay, now when I look at income summary general, there is no balance because we're going to be working with that one later. I guess we're not closing it yet. There's no balance in it. So I start at income summary kitchen is what I'm going to be looking at, and I'm going to be looking at any account that has credit balance. So first one is that income summary kitchen. It has a credit balance. So if it has a credit balance, that tells me I'm going to be debiting that account. So income summary kitchen. And I'm going to debit for $6,194.62. Okay, then I need to go over to the next page since I printed it. My next credit account is going to be sales kitchen. And I'm going to debit that for $417,953.07. Next is going to be my sales bath. I'm going to debit that for $316,014.76. My next account that has a credit balance is purchases discount kitchen. I'm going to debit to close it for $2,505.71. Next, I'm going to close purchases, returns, and allowances kitchen for $4,925.52. Then I have purchases discount bath, debit for $2,157.01. I have purchases, returns, and allowances bath, and a debit for $6,495.71. Okay, so those are all of my credit accounts that I'm going to close by debiting them. So I am going to close them into my income summary general account, and I'm going to credit that account for the total of these debits. So now what I'm going to do is add up those debits. Okay, so I'm going to be crediting income summary general for $756,246.40. Okay. My second closing entry, I'm going to be closing my income statement accounts that have debit balances. So again, I'm going to be starting at my income summary. I've already closed income summary kitchen. So next I see income summary bath. That has a debit balance. So I'm going to be closing that account. So to close that account, I need to credit that account. Now, Remember, we should always list our debits first. So in this case, I'm going to be debiting income summary general. I don't know the amount though yet. First, I need to close all of those debit accounts, and then I'll add those up to figure out what my debit to income summary general will be. Okay, so I'm going to start with my income summary BAF. Since it has a debit balance and I want to close it, I'm going to credit it for $948.69. Okay, then I have sales discount kitchen. I'm going to credit for $6,655.27. Sales returns and allowances. Kitchen. And a credit of $7,634.77. Then I'm going to have sales discount bath, a credit of $4,220.29. Sales returns and allowances, bath, a credit of $11,070.52. Then we have purchases. Where is it? Purchases, kitchen. Am I looking at this wrong? There it is. I don't know why it wouldn't let me. Purchases kitchen. $204,164.91. Okay, my next is going to be purchases bath. I'm going to credit for $128,451.62. Next, advertising expense kitchen. $11,900. I'm going to be having all of my expense accounts now. Payroll taxes expense kitchen. $5,193.25. Salary expense kitchen. $59,121.95. Advertising expense bath. $4,500. Payroll taxes expense bath. $7,028.66. Salary expense bath. $81,103.91. Credit card fee expense. $4,502.93. Depreciation expense office equipment. $7,250. Depreciation expense store equipment. $8,490. Insurance expense. $15,500. Miscellaneous expense. $2,813.28. Payroll taxes expense administrative. $6,149.34. Rent expense. $18,000. Salary expense administrative. $71,001.51. Supplies expense, $4,147.89. Uncollectible accounts expense, $2,023.85. Utilities expense, $6,435.07. And last expense is going to be my federal income tax expense, $14,749.15. Okay, so we have a lot that I need to add up. So I'm going to be adding all of those up to figure out what my debit to income summary general is. So I'm just adding all of these up. It's going to take a little bit since we have so many. Okay, so we should be debiting our income summary general to $693,056.86. I know it's a lot of numbers, but you might want to add those up twice when you're doing the on your owns and applications to make sure that you get the same number twice. Okay, so I'm going to stop here for this video, and then the next video will have the next two closing entries.